Alexander, you making baskets? Show mommy. Show mommy. You're not going to play with your new basketball? Yay! Alexander made a basket. Here, you're supposed to use the basketball. Here, use the basketball, my main man. Alexander, look, there it is. Make a basket. Go ahead, make a basket. And slam dunk! Yay! You're so silly. Are we done playing basketball? That's it? Just one basket? That's it?